Bitcoin, are we going to start the worst month in 8 years? You want to know the last information about the crypto world? Yes? Then smash that like button, because it's time for crypto news fun on the right. Crypto at tope. This is today ideas. August is in risk on being the worst in 8 years. It's no secret that Bitcoin has underperformed this month, even by August standards, which have rarely given bulls anything to celebrate. We are down around 11%, and if we go lower to 13%, this is going to be the worst August in 8 years. So is that a good thing? We don't think so. You can see here 10% this year, 13%. This is CoinGlass. I leave you the link in the description. And we have to go like that 8 years to find something worse in Bitcoin history. While with this tale about September, we'll follow our videos, because I will tell you in the next couple of crypto news what's going to happen in September. But we follow expert predictions like this one that says that September is historically the worst month for Bitcoin, at least since 2013. But stuff there has only seen its value rise in 2 Septembers between 2013 and 2021, which were in 2015 and 2016. Outside of those two, Bitcoin has recorded an average 6% decline in the month. It's true that so many times we are comparing the situation right now with 2015, so maybe we are in a lucky month in September. The September effect is not peculiar to Bitcoin alone. The Standard & Poor's 500 has also had downturns in most of September since 1928. Most investors usually exit their market positions in September to lock in their gains or even tax losses as the year draws to a close. Higher rate of asset liquidations as school resume in September and the need for cash to pay school cost arises are in the causes of these declines. And this article tells us that the chances of September 2022 being an outlier month like 2015 or 16 is also minimal, given the conditions that we have. They are bad, they persist. The Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell warned the United States economy will face more pain as the authorities struggle to control the rising inflation. If OMC could further hike interest rates in September and unemployment rose to 3.7%, the highest since February, another indicator of the struggles of US economy. So we find we having some trouble there. Follow all our videos. I will tell you there more about this. But now to Bitcoin chart with TradingView, link in the description. You can see there that we still in the $26,000 line like crazy. It's like a magnet, and we still don't know if we have that double top pattern or not, if we should expect Bitcoin going to $20,000 or coming up from here yet. We'll tell you next shows, but remember, I nailed it again with dollar behavior. That's the smile I have there. And if that's true, well, dollar starts coming down according with this comparison, and maybe we still time. Let's move this a little bit. This would be the behavior of dollar in the next days. So we still have time till the end of the month to have that crash in dollar. That would mean stock market going up and Bitcoin and crypto market going up. Remember, so important what Jerome Powell had to say. He reaffirmed inflation is still too high. He prepared to raise rates if needed and doubled down on 2% inflation target. So maybe this is bad for dollar, and that's how we are going to make it as we did in the past. Remember this comparison of the candles, and we still need to go $3,200 up in order to close in the green. And I believe it's going to happen. Probably I will be wrong. So never trade with my ideas. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice, but I believe that Bitcoin can do that. If we are lucky enough, we will close the future CME gap in the 27,700 approximately. And that would be a nice green candle for the yearly. You will see that the behavior will be the same we had the last 2 cycles. It's true that we still need this week maybe to be created so we can expect lower lows, but I don't believe it's going to happen. We'll see about that. What do you think? Leave your comment below. And if you haven't, just watch this video about the cycles where you will understand everything about these candles. Any case, remember also that we are in a pre-election year in United States. This is the last time, and here the opposite idea. So no one knows what's going to happen. It might go up, down, or remain flat, as our song says. But now, if we are following the last time we had election in United States, well, we are going to be flat, maybe a little bit up and then down till the end of the year. I believe that August, September, and October is going to be 3 green candles, but maybe it also fits in this drawing for the future. What does the market believe about this? Well, they are in the fear 39 today, and that's mostly because of Biden. If he is elected president, you can't forget about Bitcoin. He has now new rules that would push the industry out of United States because it's going to be so restrictive. They want everything to be informed and taxed and regulated, but it's too much, in opinion of one and some of the most experts in the ecosystem. So if you want to read the whole article about this, I will leave it for you in the description. But you have to consider that while in United States they are regulated like this, in Hong Kong we have the first CEX with regulatory clearance officially starting retail trading today. So that means that while in United States they are pushing away the industry, Hong Kong and Asia are embracing it. Remember that United States has to say yes or no to the ETF on September. So we are just like 6 days away to this decision to be taken. BlackRock is one of those candidates, and now we know that BlackRock is a major shareholder in 4 of the 5 largest Bitcoin miners. Here you have all of that, and also they are majority shareholders of the other majority shareholders. So BlackRock, as the BTC therapist is telling us here, is preparing for a Bitcoin standard. Are you? That's the thing. Use the link in the description and buy some Bitcoin. Why not? This is not financial advice. Any case, also Robinhood is ready. Allegedly, the 3rd largest Bitcoin whale with $3 billion in Bitcoin is revealed to be precisely Robinhood. So what do they know for the future? The market, any case, is still in the red. The bubble's in the red too, with PEPE being one of the worst. And the thing is that the team on PEPE, they did this statement saying they are going to behave okay, that they have some bad people, bad actors in their team, but now they are out, they cast out, and now the platform and the crypto project is more secure. Do you trust that? Who knows about it? Any case, we go to DEXTools.io, link in the description, and we see that we lost this line for PEPE chart, and we are going to the place where I placed the buying point. So I'm in the loss already with PEPE, as you could expect. But if you are good on trading, not like myself, you have on DEXTools joined the challenge, a trading competition. So if you are interested in this, I leave you the link in the description so you can learn how to participate. You still have around 27 days left. And also remember that if you want to be a pro with DEXTools, you can have it now with an 80% discount. Link in the description. Do not miss that out. And join us in Galicia, in Santiago, 28, 29, 30 September. We're going to be there. If you need a ticket, you have a 30% discount. Link is in the description. For Shiba, maybe good news. Team reopens the bridge and withdrawals on Mainnet after the fiasco in the launch. And good news for Cardano, maybe. Charles Hoskinson saying that it's going to be better than Ethereum in the future. And if that's so, Altcoin Daily did these calculations. You have to follow that YouTube channel. Awesome, guys. And you can see that if Cardano at some point has the market cap of Ethereum, is going to be worth $16 for just one Cardano. Also, one ADI, if we go to the market cap of Bitcoin in its all-time high, it will go to $36, $37. Crazy. But what if Cardano is the whole economy in the world? When one ADI is going to be $1,300, which is a long shot, but who knows? That would mean that Cardano is the representation of the new digital nation, and all you know about is ADA. If you want to earn some, come with us to Cardano on the ride with Funon. Do your staking there with our validator. We just validated a new block. We are just 2 blocks away of 100. So thank you very much. Maybe we are all preparing for a bright future. But in any case, some of these crypto projects will disappear, like maybe Ben from BitBoy. Well, he was banned from his own project. How crazy is that? The brand decided to drop him. And, well, this is because he's quite a disaster or whatever. Do you trust the project without him? Do you even trust that this is something that is not planned? Who knows about it? But always remember, learn from this, the pump and the dump. It doesn't matter if there is a YouTuber behind a project. Remember that there's more scam out there than none. And you can even think about Donald Trump when considering this. And its NFTs now skyrocketing after the arrest of the former president in Atlanta. And talking about NFTs, you need to know that the regulator in the United States decided to go after this new project coming from an influencer. They decided it's a security non-regulated, so it had a fine of $6 million. I wonder why. Impact Theory was prosecuted and persecuted, and not other projects, not even Donald Trump, if I'm not mistaken. So who knows? The SEC and Gary Gensler, they are people that do whatever they want, and they are doing this. What do you think about it? And now a shout out to our partners, contributors of FunOntheRide. Thank you very much. Round up. Without people like them, you won't have crypto news. So thank you very much. And maybe this is very interesting for you if you want to earn 5% or maybe win a lottery that you can't lose. We explained you everything in this video that you can't miss about Roundup, and I always encourage you to follow them in Twitter and on Instagram, where you'll find ways of earning money, also some draws and contests, and also you will learn a lot of stuff, like, for example, what's an APY and how to earn some savings while you relax. Also, another partner, Coin Tracking. This is the tool I use for tracking my portfolio. So maybe this September, we have time to learn a little bit, and you can start this season with a good portfolio tracker. Link in the description. If you need a payment version, just use that link and you'll get a 10% discount, where you can put your tax losses if Kittens is there. In any case, if you want to learn what this means for the market, our friends on Twitter, follow them there, Coin Tracking. They explain everything to you. So go there and follow them and try to hold there. Try to make Bitcoin keep there in the $26,000, because if not, we are going to fall. We are almost finding support, but not yet. We need to be liquid, just as this cat is. You can see how it slashes there. And here, for the market in the food, this cat, created a fiasco, and you can see how the market reacts with all sort of crazy things going on. Anyway, let's find some love, because we always say here that money is important, but we prefer love. Like this cat is loving this guy, or like this dog is gonna make you smile because we are stoic too. Any case, we have no more time today. If you want this in Spanish, go to our primary channel, Fun on the Ride. If you want more in English, just wait till tomorrow to next show here. Crypto news, Fun on the Ride, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. Crypto a tope to the moon.